What is happening, guys? My name is Yousef Zad, and today we're going to be talking about money, trading, investing, and all about saving. And today we're going to be talking about my relationship with Elon Musk. So stay tuned for more of that. If you find value in this content, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and leave me a comment. So let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so we're going to be talking about my relationship with Elon Musk, and today I'm going to be talking about all about Tesla. Tesla has been going crazy for the past 2-3 days, and this week has been a great, amazing week for Tesla. And as you guys know, it's been going up rapidly for the past few days, and it's actually up about 20% for the past few days. And that's a question that it brings out, is that what are we going to be seeing from Tesla in the next few months? Is it going to be going down like a lot of the other tech companies? Is it going to be going down a lot of the car manufacturer companies? But my serious question is, what is going to be happening to Tesla within the past few months, and what's going to be happening in the next few months? Just because I know that a lot of the car manufacturing companies are down, like basically GM, like Ford. Those are all the companies that are basically going down for the past few days, 3 to 5%, but Tesla has been rapidly going up almost 20%. So it's something that I wanted to talk about and basically show my gratitude for the stocks that I have with them. And Tesla always has been one of my favorite basically stocks to purchase, just because I see so much value in the company. And I think it's one of those companies that not only it has so much hype around it, but it's also one of the companies that I see so much value in it just because of Elon in it. And I think it's one of those companies that, just like back in the day where Steve Jobs was around, Apple was a company that I feel like not only it was a money-making company, but it also had a lot of basically innovation in it for the people, and people loved Apple product just because not only it was a great company to invest your money into, but also it was one of the companies that the product that they gave the consumers, it was a great quality product, and people usually enjoyed it. I'm sure you guys remember back in the day where Steve Jobs was basically part of the Apple, and the reason so many people loved Apple was because of Steve Jobs, because not only he was on a great side in making money in terms of the company and bringing people to invest into the company, but he always made that product that people absolutely love. And you know, it was an item that it was so much innovation in it. Every single time they launched a new iPhone, iMac, laptop, iPad, whatever it was so much innovation in it, and it kind of made people so excited about it. And now I feel like with Elon Musk, Elon is the same Steve Jobs with Tesla, that not only he's basically is able to bring money into the company just for the company itself, but he's also able to basically make the hype around the product that he has. And not only he brings hype around Tesla, he also brings hype around the company itself, in matter of being able to basically be on the top of the headlines pretty much every single week. Either making ventilator for the hospitals, or they're making masks for the hospitals. They're helping other, big companies, and they're helping the hospitals. And I think that's what makes the hype go around Tesla a lot, that basically Elon is not your typical CEO that basically he's only there to make money. He really cares about people, and I think that's why so many people love Elon, is because he actually connects to people in a different level, and that basically enables him to make people even love the company a little bit more than anything. That's why you see so much hype around Tesla, and I think it's a great time to invest into it, even though stock has been going around $700 now. But I'm gonna go down into deeper, and we're gonna talk about to see what is the best opportunity for you to be able to actually start investing into it as of right now. And I'm gonna be showing you guys basically what I think about Tesla. And Tesla right now is basically trending for $746.50, which basically just today alone it went up 9%, and after hours it went up 5.16%. So total about 14% just in a single day. And if you check for the week, it's up 34.74%. and that's insane, going from basically anywhere from $546 to $746. That's a $200 jump in a single week, which a lot of people didn't think it's gonna come out of there. And if you actually think about it, when about 3 months ago, when Tesla hit around $917, no one thought it would go that high. And definitely when it came down, people still didn't expect it. And when it did came down, people didn't really expect it to come down as much. And a lot of people got scared because they didn't want to basically lose that much money in it. But I told so many people not to sell your stocks when it comes down, especially in Tesla, because Tesla lives around the hype that you see all the time around basically Elon Musk. And I think it's a great time to basically invest into him as of right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys that basically if you look, basically the 52-week high, it was $968. That's how much it went up. And then it basically for the year, the lowest it has been $176. And I think you're never gonna see basically Tesla back down at $176 just because so much hype around it, and they've been doing such a great job in the number of shipments of the cars that they're doing. And not only that, a lot of the car companies like Ford, GM, they're trying really hard to tap into the electronic car, but I think they're way behind Elon just in so many different aspects of the business, and that what makes Tesla one of the best. And I think one day, if for example even Ford or BMW or Mercedes, I feel like when they start getting into completely full electric, basically battery built cars, they're going to be needing Tesla's battery to power their cars. So I think it's a great time again to invest into Tesla as of right now. Even though the stocks have been going up back again to $746, I think it's still a great buy right now. Yes, it's not like what it used to be around $300-$400, but again, you have to see that the potential that it has to go back up to all the way to $900 something. It is a great time to buy it just for the long term, that you're going to be seeing that Tesla is going to grow so much. And to be honest with you, I usually pay attention to the number of basically the stock's volume for that specific date. And today's volume was around 31 million trades. And that's honestly, that's such a big number for me. And that always shows the potential in a single stock that can go up right now. And I think it's a great time to invest into it just because, you know, it gives you a lot of potential, and you don't have to go ahead and buy the whole stock if you cannot afford the whole $746. There's a lot of the apps, like basically the Cash App, that you would be able to make fractional sales. Or if you already sign up with Robinhood, of course through my link down there, and you got your free stocks, you would be able to buy them. I don't know if you guys are still able to do fractional sales with Robinhood, but I still cannot do any fractional sale with Robinhood. So anytime that I want to basically start doing more fractional sales, I definitely, my app to go to, it would be the Cash App, and it's easy for me to buy $200-$300 out of a stock that is a lot more than that, and it makes it easy for me. But definitely I want to touch back onto basically the Pi app. That Pi app has been growing rapidly for so long now, and it's almost, you know, ready to pop. And if you see the valuation for the app, I'm going to leave the card up here for you guys, so you would be able to click on it and see that whole video, so you would be able to download it and start earning that cryptocurrency for free, mining it on your phone, which is the very first time that something like this is happening. But again, it's one of those things that, again, you would be able to invest some of your time right now that you don't really have much to do at home and you're a little bit bored just like me. It would be a great time for you to basically invest your time in, and you would be able to basically earn more Pi, since I'm always active 24/7. I'm gonna leave the link on the bottom down, so you would be able to use my code to sign up for Pi and earn Pi, just because you do have to basically be invited by someone in order to start mining through the app. One of the other things that I really wanted to touch up on is the great time for a lot of people to start investing into the ETFs. And ETFs are really great ways for you to start getting into the stock market, and it's a great way for you to start. And if you actually look at a lot of the ETFs right now, some that you can find just like SPHD, that they go roughly about $34, are the ones that you can easily start investing into just for maybe 2-3 stocks at a time, or every time you get paid. It's a great time to basically invest into them, just because they usually trend around $40-$50 $1 normally, but now there's such an affordable price that everyone would be able to invest their money into. And again, it's something that if you don't want to be picky about buying and selling one particular stock every day and you don't want to be worried about it, I think ETFs are basically those management companies that are great for you in order to be able to invest your money into something that it's going to be separated around basically into a lot more many different kind of stocks. And as soon as all those stocks basically go up, you're making money. When all the stocks basically are losing money, then you start losing money. So the chance of you making money is a lot higher throughout the long pace of time, and it's easier for you to manage it. You don't really have to worry about it, and they give you a really nice dividend most of the time that you would be able to actually earn money basically by earning dividends, and also basically the money that your money is going to be growing into that stock market. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel, please, if you find value in this video. Let me know what you think about the stock market, or if you guys invested into the Tesla for the past few days. And I hope to see you guys soon again. Once again, my name is Yousef. Hope to see you guys soon again, and ciao.